Our next player up is number 6. This is Mitchell Starc. 220 say Kolkata, thank you. At 240 now with Mumbai. 260 Kolkata. 975 for the Capitals. 10 crore say Kolkata. 1150 Bangaluru's back. 1175 all through. Everywhere else 1175 last chance then, and I'm selling to the Delhi Capitals at 11 crore and 75 lakh. Mitchell Starc, 11 crore 75 lakh. Thank you so much. Our next player up is number 10. This is KL Rahul with a specialization in wicket keeping, of course, from India. And let's open here at an opening price of 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, KL Rahul opening bid. At 2 crore, do I have anywhere in the room at all? At 2 crore. 220, thank you RCB. At 2 crore 20 now, 240 goes back to Kolkata. 875. KKR comes back, 9 crore, still with RCB. At 10 crore 75, all done. Still with KKR at 10 crore and 75 lakh. Any other team coming in? 1150, say Delhi, ahead of you. 1275 is CSK. 13 crore is Delhi. At 13 crore now, Delhi's bid. 1325, CSK. 1350, say Delhi. 1375, thank you sir. Chennai has bid 1375. And 14 crore is Delhi, all done. At 14 crore then, Delhi's bid at 14 crore. They would not like to do that, so the player will stay, KL Rahul will stay with Delhi Capitals at 14 crore. Sold to the Delhi Capitals, well done at 14. Our first player for the batters will be number 13. This is Harry Brook, the English batsman. And can we open here please at an opening price of 2 crore. At 2 crore now, straight ahead with Chennai. Anybody else coming ahead of Chennai? At 2 crore opening bid with Chennai currently at 240, or any other team for that matter. 260 Punjab it is. 280 we have the Super Kings at 2 crore 80. At 280 now it's with the Super Kings at 280. 440, thank you Chennai. At 440. 460. Fair warning, 625 say Delhi. At 625 say Delhi. All done? At 6 crore and 25 lakh. Then we are with Delhi all through, ahead of everybody else in the room. Last chance if you'd like to come in. Fair warning, and selling then to the Delhi Capitals at 6 crore and 25 lakh. Delhi, it is yours. You also do have the right to match option, so it stays with you, and that is that. Thank you so much. Next player up is number 15. This is Jake Fraser McGurk, the Australian batter. And here too, let's have an opening bid of 2 crore if I see anywhere in the room. Delhi Capitals comes in. Thank you so much at 2 crore now, center of the room. Anybody else coming in ahead of Delhi? 260 goes back to Punjab. 280 goes back to Lucknow. 340 say Punjab. 360 say LSG. It's Lucknow's bid. 420 is Punjab. 440 is LSG. 460 is Punjab. At 5 crore 50, any other team coming in? All through, it's with Punjab. All through, all done, and selling then to Punjab at 5 crore and 50 lakh. Sold. We do have, for the moment that is, we do have RTM option. Delhi Capitals, would you like to exercise your RTM option? Yes, they would. Let's go back to Punjab and ask them for a final bid, please. 9 crore say Punjab. Delhi, would you like to match that at 9 crore? Yes, they would. Delhi matches it, executes their RTM, and Jake Fraser McGurk goes to the Delhi Capitals at 9 crore. Sold to you. Thank you so much. That's it. Number 38 is our next player. This is T. Natarajan. And let's open here at 2 crore, please. 220. Bengaluru comes ahead of Hyderabad at 220. 380 challengers at 5 crore. 525 for you, Delhi, at 525. 550s for the challengers. Delhi at 825. RCB at 850 now. 1075 say Delhi. Done. At 1075 then Delhi's bid at 10 crore 75. Ahead of the room, ahead of everybody else, and selling then for the Delhi Capitals team, going once, going twice, and Delhi, it's yours. 1075 for the fast bowler. Thank you. And we come to the last fast bowler in this particular set. Our next player up, this is going to be number 48. This is Karun Nair. And let's open here again at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, do I have bid anywhere in the room? 30 lakh for Karun Nair. At 30 lakh, it's with the Delhi Capitals. All through, All done. At 30 lakh now with Delhi. Ahead of everybody, 35 lakh for RCB. 50 lakh is Delhi. At 50 lakh, Delhi's bid at 50 lakh. All through, going once, going twice and selling. Delhi, it's yours at 50 lakh. Well done. Sold. Next player up will be number 56. This is Samir Rizvi. At 30 lakh, opening bid please for the all-rounder. At 30 lakh, thank you CSK. At 30 lakh I have up front. 35 lakh is coming with Delhi. 40 lakh for CSK. 45 lakh for Delhi. 50 for CSK. At 90 lakh, 95 lakh goes to Delhi and selling to Delhi at 95 lakh. Again, there was a right to match option at this player but cannot be exercised, so the player stays with Delhi. Thank you. Our next player up is number 59. This is Ashutosh Sharma. At 35, 40 for RCB. 75, thank you sir. 80 lakh goes back to the challengers. 150 DC, done. Last chance now, 160 says Punjab. 170 says Delhi. 320 for Punjab. At 380, all done then, and selling once, twice, and with you Delhi at 3 crore and 80 lakh. Well done. Next player up. This is Mohit Sharma. 55 I see Delhi. At 55, 60 for the Titans. 65 is for Delhi. 70 is for the Titans. At 1 crore 40, 150 say Delhi. 2 crore back with the Gujarat Titans at 220. That's what Delhi says at 220. 2 crore 20 with the Delhi Capitals, not with Gujarat. Last chance and selling to the Delhi Capitals then. Fair warning at 2 crore and 20 lakh. It's yours Delhi at 2 crore and 20 lakh. Thank you. Our next player up is going to be number 85. This is Faf du Plessis. At 2 crore opening bid. At 2 crore now for the South African at 2 crore. Delhi's bid, thank you. At 2 crore now with the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore, center of the room. And yes, congratulations, Delhi Capitals, well done. Our next player up is number 110. This is Mukesh Kumar. 220 say Punjab, 240 say CSK, 260 say Punjab, 280 say CSK, 3 crore Punjab, 525, thank you CSK, 550 Punjab's bid. At 6 crore 50 lakh with the Punjab Kings now at 6 crore and 50 lakh. And twice and selling for the Punjab Kings at 6 crore and 50 lakh. We have a right to match option. Delhi Capitals, would you like to exercise?
8 crore.
8 crore. Let's see what Delhi has to say about that. At 8 crore, Delhi Capitals would like to execute their right to match, and the player Mukesh Kumar will go to Delhi at 8 crore. Thank you so much. We move to Darshan Nalkande, the all-rounder, and we can open here at 30 lakh, please. Thank you, Delhi. Indeed, we do. 30 lakh. Delhi starts us off at 30 and selling to the Delhi team at 30 lakh. It's yours, Delhi, at 30 lakh. Well done. This is Vipraj Nigam. At 35 lakh now is MI ahead of you, Delhi. 50 lakh is Delhi. At 50 lakh now with the Delhi Capitals team at 50. All through, all done then, and selling to the Delhi team at 50 lakh. For you, Delhi, at 50 lakh for Vipraj Nigam. This is Dushmantha Chamira from Sri Lanka, who's going to be our next player up. At 75 lakh, then we will sell to the Delhi Capitals if everybody else is completely sure. At 75 lakh, selling to Delhi, going once to Delhi and twice. And DC, that is yours at 75 lakh. Thank you. Donovan Ferreira from South Africa. Do we have a bid? Thank you, Delhi Capitals. We do. At 75 lakh, Delhi Capitals has bid. Anybody else bidding ahead of Delhi? All through then. And selling for you, Delhi, at 75 lakh. It's yours, Delhi, at 75. Ajay Mandal, this is 30 lakh, please. Opening bid. Thank you, Delhi Capitals. 30 lakh I have. All through, all done. We are selling to the Delhi team. All done then. And Ajay Mandal going to Delhi at 30 lakh. For you, Delhi, at 30 lakh, sold. There you go. Manvant Kumar L from India. At 30 lakh, we have an opening bid for Manvant Kumar from Delhi Capitals. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of you, Delhi Capitals? Let's give it a second. All through then, and selling Manvant Kumar goes to Delhi Capitals at 30 lakh. Sold at 30 lakh for you, Delhi. Thank you so much. This is Tripurana Vijay. Tripurana Vijay. And let's open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, thank you, Delhi. At 30 lakh, we have Delhi bid at 30 lakh. We will sell then to the Delhi Capitals all through at 30 lakh. Delhi, Tripurana Vijay is coming to your team for 30. Sold at 30 lakh, thank you. Our next player up is going to be 565. This is Madhav Tiwari. 40 lakh is Delhi. No? At 40 lakh now, back with the Delhi team ahead of the Mumbai Indians and everybody else. At 40 lakh, sold to Delhi then at 40 lakh. Well done.